Welcome to Plantman Nursery. Join us as we explore the tree of life with this introduction to biological sciences, presented by Manfred E. Muller. Biology encompasses many fields, including botany, zoology, and microbiology. Other branches include ecology, genetics, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and immunology. The human circulatory system transports blood, oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste. Key components are the heart, arteries, veins, and capillaries, each playing a vital role in circulation. Focusing on the upper body, the major arteries include the aortic arch, common carotids, subclavian, brachial, radial, and ulnar arteries, which supply blood to the head, neck, and upper limbs. The major arteries of the lower body, stemming from the abdominal aorta, include the renal arteries, common iliac, femoral, popliteal, posterior tibial, and dorsalis pedis arteries. Pulse points are crucial for clinical assessment. Common sites include the temporal, carotid, radial, femoral, and dorsalis pedis. Normal resting heart rate is 70 to 100 BPM with a regular rhythm. The structure of an artery wall consists of 3 layers. The inner layer is the tunica intima, followed by the muscular tunica media, and the outer connective tissue layer, the tunica externa. The arterial system is made up of vessels called arteries. These are responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to supply oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs. The scientific method in biology follows a sequence: observation and question, forming a hypothesis, conducting an experiment, analysis, and forming a conclusion. The process can be refined and repeated. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or would like to join the discussion, feel free to visit the comment section below. We truly appreciate your time.